All right, everybody, welcome to what may be the final installment of restoring the Lisa Marie, and some of the nice details to show now. We finished putting the kitchenette in place and also have mounted an outdoor service light here. In case you're working here washing dishes on the outside or doing something, you have a little extra light when you open up the doors here. It's also the place where the service table goes. That was a nice little addition. You can see that we put the cornering on the kitchen's countertop here, that really nice Formica stuff we were able to get. And also to put some banding around the service table here. And this is nice because this just flips and locks up into position here and gives you an increasing working surface. And then when you're done, you just kind of raise that. It's a little hard. Yeah, there we go, and it goes and locks right down in position like that. Kind of nice, huh? You'll also see the cushions have been done. The dinette lagoon table has been mounted here, and I think it looks really, really nice the way that turned out. There's enough clearance in the back here. It's got a good height on it. It goes up and down on the stanchion there. It's really a nice fit. I think the colors turned out good for the cushions. Everything matches well. You can see the back of the coach has been finished. I did put the finished molding. Look at how much storage is in the back under there. It's unbelievable. I've also secured the water tank down with the strapping and the blocks under there, so that's not going to be going anyplace. We put the white buttons on for now for accent. The only panel has got to be changed out. The blues look a little different there, but that panel is going to be changed out there. So nice big comfy bed. Also took the opportunity to mount the microwave by bolting it down from the back, and I think that turned out pretty good there. And never had a microwave before, right? Last thing really you do is just hang a curtain for the closet up there. Not really a big deal. As I said, the kitchenette was all done. We put the back panel on there. There wasn't really money for stainless behind their backsplash, but this serves as a very effective heat barrier here, and there shouldn't be any issues with cooking. All new plumbing's all been installed, no leaks at all. The hot and cold here. I think that turned out really nicely. Looks very handsome the way that looks. So, and also installed the curtain holders on there. They look good. And things have been shipshape up pretty well. On the outside, everything's also been overcoated. All the cabinetry. Also have to put down one little final piece of trim. You can see I have floor trim detail here. We need to put one more piece down in here, and that keeps the coin floor down really well and looking good. So I think you'll agree it's a pretty handsome looking coach now compared to the way it came in. And it's be highly functional. I really enjoy the table. That turned out beautifully, from going from a jackknife sofa to a dinette. The table can also drop down, and it can serve as an extra bed too, which I really like. So I think everything turned out well. In addition, I've been working on the LEDs, the front grille LEDs. So I think that's going to be a wrap. So I want to thank you for being here for this installment and all the installments of restoring the Lisa Marie. You guys have been wonderful. Thank you very, very much.